Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your investment returns with E-Trade, complete guide step by step clearly. To improve your investment returns with E-Trade, begin by creating an account if you haven't done so already. Visit the E-Trade website and click on the Open an Account button. Fill out the required personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Choose the type of account that best suits your investment goals, such as an individual brokerage account or an IRA. Once your account is set up, familiarize yourself with the platform. Take a tour of the E-Trade dashboard to understand the available tools and features. Explore the research section to access market analysis, expert commentary, and stock ratings. Use the screeners to filter stocks based on your investment criteria, such as market cap or PE ratio. Set realistic investment goals that align with your financial situation and risk tolerance. Consider diversifying your portfolio by investing in different asset classes. Utilize E-Trade's educational resources, including articles and webinars. Learn about various investment strategies, such as dollar cost averaging and asset allocation. Start with a small investment and gradually increase your exposure as you gain confidence. Monitor your investments regularly to assess performance and make data-driven adjustments. Take advantage of E-Trade's tools for tracking your portfolio's performance over time. Implement stop-loss orders to protect your investments from significant downturns. Review and reassess your investment strategy periodically to ensure it still aligns with your goals. Stay informed about market trends and news that could influence your investments. Participate in E-Trade's investor community forums to exchange ideas and gain insights from experienced traders. Consider using E-Trade's robo-advisory service for automated, tailored investment strategy. Continue educating yourself about the stock market and investment opportunities. By following these steps, you can strategically enhance your investment returns with E-Trade. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.